हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपके अपने चैनल एमसीक्यू वाला में। आज हम जो हमारा क्लास 12th की शॉर्ट आंसर लॉन्ग आंसर की सीरीज चल रही थी, आज हम उसका लॉन्ग आंसर की लेकर आए हैं। ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इज नॉट मोर देन 150 वर्ड। हमको आंसर 150 वर्ड में देना है, शब्दों में देना है। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट है, हु वाज द टाइगर किंग क्वेश्चन मार्क, व्हाट वर हिज अदर नेम क्वेश्चन मार्क, हाउ वाज ही नेम्ड एज द टाइगर किंग क्वेश्चन मार्क। टाइगर किंग कौन था, उसके दूसरे नाम क्या थे क्वेश्चन मार्क, उसका नाम टाइगर किंग कैसे पड़ा क्वेश्चन मार्क। आंसर है, द महाराजा ऑफ प्रतिबंधपुरम इज द हीरो ऑफ दिस स्टोरी। ही मे बी आइडेंटिफाइड एज हिज हाइनेस जमींदार जनरल जमींदार जनरल खिलेदार खिलेदार मेजर सतविग्रह समहरी महाधिराज विश्वभुवन सम्राट सर जलानी जंग बहादुर MADACTCRCRCK, but this name is often shortened to the Tiger King. When he was born, the astrologers foretold that his death would come from tiger. When the king came of age at 20 years, he learnt his death would come from a tiger. When the king came of age at 20 years, he learnt about the prophecy. There were many forests in his state. The Maharaja started on a tiger hunt. He was thrilled beyond measure when he killed his first tiger. He showed it to the state astrologer, but the state astrologer replied, "Your Majesty may kill 99 tigers in exactly the same manner, but you must be very careful with the 100th tiger." The Maharaja decided to kill 100 tigers first before doing anything else. The tiger hunting was banned by anyone except the Maharaja. A proclamation was issued that if anyone was dared to throw even a stone at a tiger, all his wealth and property would be confiscated. Maharaja faced many dangers also while hunting, but he braved all the dangers. As a result, the king came to be known as the Tiger King. ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, चलिए हिंदी भी देख लीजिए। हिंदी में पढ़ूंगा नहीं, वीडियो बहुत लॉन्ग हो जाएगी। ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, चलिए आगे देखते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 देखते हैं। How was the crown prince Jalani Jang Bahadur brought up question mark? Why did he call the state astrologer question mark? What did the astrologer say question mark? शाही राजकुमार जिलानी जंग बहादुर को कैसे पाला गया क्वेश्चन मार्क। उसने राज के ज्योतिषी को क्यों बुलाया क्वेश्चन मार्क। ज्योतिषी ने क्या कहा क्वेश्चन मार्क। तो आंसर है, द रॉयल इन्फेंट ड्रैंक द मिल्क ऑफ एन इंग्लिश काउ was brought up by an English nanny. The tutored English by an Englishman, saw nothing but English films. His life was exactly like the other crown prince of the other Indian state. When the Maharaja boasted about killing the first tiger, the astrologer said that he may kill 99 tigers but must be very careful with 100th tiger. The astrologer predicted that the newly born prince will grow up to become the hero of the heroes, brave of the bravest and great warrior. He also predicted that the baby was born in hour of bull. The bull and the tiger were enemies, therefore he would die because of the टाइगर। ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, अगर चैनल अच्छा लगे तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिए। चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में चलते हैं हम। क्वेश्चन नंबर अगला है, व्हाट वाज द वो ऑफ महाराजास क्वेश्चन मार्क, हाउ डिड ही फुलफिल एंड व्हाट डेंजर डिड ही फेस क्वेश्चन मार्क। महाराज का प्रण प्रतिज्ञा क्या था, उसने वह कैसे पूरा किया, उसने किन खतरों का सामना किया। तो आंसर है, द चीफ एस्ट्रोलॉजर हैड टोल्ड द किंग दैट हिज डेथ वुड कम फ्रॉम अ टाइगर एंड ही शुड बी स्पेशली वेयर ऑफ द 100th tiger. So to prove the astrologer wrong, the king decided to kill a 100th tiger. He vowed that he would attend to all other matters only after killing on 100 tigers. Initially, the king seemed well set to realize his ambition. Then, some danger and difficulties cropped up. There were times when the bullet missed its mark, and at other times, the tiger would leap on him, and he would have to fight the wild beast with his bare hands. The Tiger King was able to kill 99 tigers this way and if if he could kill just one more tiger, all his fear would be over for good, and he could give up tiger hunting. But the 100 tiger could not be found. The Diwan realized the disastrous result. If the 100 tiger was not found, so a tiger was brought in from the People's Park in Madras and taken directly to the forest where the Maharaja was hunting. The king took aim and the tiger fell in a leap. The Maharaja was extremely happy to have finally killed the 100 tiger. After he left, the hunters took a closer look at the tiger finally and realized the tiger was not dead as the king had missed the aim. They decided not to tell the Maharaja, and one of the hunters killed the tiger. The king was left under the impression that he had achieved his target of killing 100 tiger. ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, चलिए हिंदी भी देख लीजिए, आगे बढ़ते हैं. चलिए अगला देखते हैं. What happened when there remained only one tiger to be complete the accounting of 100? Question. What reaction did the miners and the public face due to Maharaja's rage? How did the Diwan handle the situation? क्या हुआ जब 100 की गिनती पूरी करने में केवल एक ही भाग रह गया था? क्वेश्चन मार्क. महाराजा के क्रोध के कारण सेवकों तथा प्रजा ने किन प्रतिक्रियाओं का सामना किया? क्वेश्चन मार्क. दीवान ने स्थिति को कैसे संभाला? चलिए आंसर देखते हैं. द महाराजा anxiety reached a fever pitch when there remained just one tiger to achieve his tally of 100. As the Maharaja has killed 99 tigers, he was to kill just one more to complete his total of 100 tigers. He became very anxious and curious to kill the 100th tiger. Despite being in the forest for many days, the Maharaja was unable to find the 100th tiger, so his fury and abstinence mounted alarmingly. Due to unable to find the 100th tiger, due to his frustration and rage, many officers lost their job, and when his anger reached its height, he ordered to the Diwan to double the land tax. When the king could not find the 100th tiger, he ordered the Diwan to resign for his post. To save his post, the Diwan went to the People's Park in Madras and brought a tiger from there. It was a very old टाइगर. ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, हिंदी लिखी हुई देख लीजिए. चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर अगला हम देखते हैं. चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर लास्ट अपना देखते हैं जो हमारा चैप्टर 3 सप्लीमेंट्री क्लास 12 का है. हाउ डिड द 100 टाइगर टेक इट रिवेंज? क्वेश्चन मार्क. वाज द किंग डेड? क्वेश्चन मार्क. हाउ? क्वेश्चन मार्क. एक्सप्लेन. सौवें बाघ ने अपना बदला कैसे लिया? क्या राजा मर गया? क्वेश्चन मार्क. कैसे? क्वेश्चन मार्क. व्याख्या कीजिए. ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, चलिए आंसर देखते हैं. द 100 टाइगर विच काज टाइगर किंग्स डेथ वाज अ टॉय टाइगर. ऑन हिज सन्स थर्ड बर्थडे द महाराजा ब्रॉट अ वुडन टॉय टाइगर फ्रॉम हिज सन एज अ गिफ्ट. वन डे वाइल प्लेइंग with his son, one of its silver pierced his right hand. He pulled it out. Continued playing. Next day, the infection flared in the Maharaja's right hand, and in 4 days it spread all over his arm. The Maharaja was operated upon but succumbed to the injury. A silver splinter in the pierced the king's hand, and the infection spread all over his arm, caused his death. ठीक है फ्रेंड, आज हमारा जो क्लास 12 की सप्लीमेंट चैप्टर 2 का शॉर्ट आंसर लॉन्ग आंसर समाप्त हो गया है. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. अगर अभी तक आपने वीडियो नहीं देखी है प्रीवियस वीडियो, तो जाकर प्लेलिस्ट में जरूर देखिए. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, जय भारत.